Hey YouTube, here in this little montage, you're gonna see how I turned some completely worn out skid shoes of a Craftsman snowblower back into some usable skid shoes. So I took the old ones, cut the bottom, the worn round of bottom flat, cut it straight and flat, then took some 1/8" thick flat bar stock, 1/2 inch wide, 5" long, and bend it into some little ski. And then I welded those to the old skid shoes. And after welding and cleaning it up a little bit, I put a layer of black paint on it so they don't turn completely rusty, crusty immediately. And yeah, so pretty much revived those old skid shoes, and now they're usable again. I hope you like it. Give me a thumbs up. Take care. Bye.